Hello, my name is Erica Hawkins, co-host of Women of Essence on TV Africa Network. My background, I am a woman of essence from Columbus, Ohio, an African-American, proud and born, child of 3 children. I am the only daughter, very happy and proud to be born here in Ohio. A few things you wouldn't know just by looking at me: I have a passion for adventure, from skydiving to Senegalese African dance. What you can expect from Women of Essence: we're going to be focusing on empowering, educating, and informing all women of background and cultures. We're going to be starting from the past, present, and future. Join us.